This is the Der Rose 16-inch fake plant. I personally got this plant because I wanted to add more greenery to my office space, and I have cats, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the indoor house plants that I would like to add to my home are not good for cats if they chew on them. So I will appreciate the greenery by having a beautiful fake plant in my home. Now this fake plant won't fade or wither because you don't have to take care of it. You just get to sit back and look at it. The pot is made out of paper pulp, so keep that away from water. It could not go well after that. It's a nice green, gray shade, so it will match just about any color of your room or decor you might have. And there are pebbles on the inside to add to the realness for the fake plant. Now, when I opened this out and got it out of the package, I did have to put all the leaves on. So I put all the leaves on, and then I bent the stems in a shape that would be good for where I have it set up. So it looks like it's lively. The new leaves are coming up, and it's very pretty, very eye-catching plant. So I'm able to appreciate this plant without possibly poisoning my cats. Now also other people might just want to appreciate green foliage and just not have the time to take care of plants. That's okay too. This is a great way to have a beautiful plant in your home without the responsibility and worrying about the safety of animals in your home. Now, right now I have this in my office area, but you could of course put this in your bathroom or living room, family room, wherever you need a fake plant. But very easy to put together. All you have to do is put the leaf on the top and then bend it into shape. Now this is the underside of the leaf, obviously very plain. You don't want to see that. So just bend it to a nice way that you like it. The leaves are variegated, they're pretty, they resemble, I should know the name of this plant, but I don't, it's not coming to my head right now. But if you do know the name of this real plant, this is a really good way to have one in your home without having the extra care and responsibility. Thanks for watching.